Okatakyie Afrifa Mesa ababe kasa efa galamsey o chirimu a demonstration e wo se ekoso biem because ipanifo ayi wo mani se o metu galamsey na se e wo Ghana eha eye GH kwabi TV so message so be subscribe be share be like na wo ja wo comment e wo ase ho amaye so galamsey sensem ya ekoso ya mpanifo ayi wo mani se pani bi atan e wo bedwam no na Okatakyie Afrifa chirimu e wo se demonstration esanso ekoso bi enti or the petition e dey akoma regional police commander ewo
so you are Accra regional police command na yaba ye message titi issue o mine munyina yenyina Ghana for yabopre with the help of the political class see yes no yes see forest na yes no. So we decided to see a demonstration on the 28th. And 28th, you know, as the Public Order Act demands, a notification of intention at Ghana Police. And the notification of intention, which a copy is in my hands, at Ghana Police, Accra region. Now, you know, regional commander here available. So we've left the letter with the registry, which Omama Krata which indicates say Oma receiving. And then on 28th demonstration on a galamsey must fall is coming on live. Apolitical. When you know Mubedia dance here, time wa Miami Party MPP war we fought on galamsey. It doesn't matter who is in government today. The reaction of a government and they said we see behavior, you know. Everything shows clearly. So we need a political will to fight this menace. All Ghanaians should come. Let's raise awareness. Now 28 and here shall see 4 p.m. But by 2 the year convert. Now 2 year march procession. Akofa police headquarters and him. You do police headquarters. And I'm say police for and I saw my boy hobby. You do ever 2 who kakra amomo. If you want to move straight to a Flagstaff House, the seat of government, ya Okatakyie John Dramani Mahama said Okatakyie Akufuado, time and no opposition leader said, on declare state of emergency. On here 100 days to declare state of emergency. On here 100 days, say, Obe making sure, say, or best send a year soldier for Amiakoboy forest in the issue by Yenina Yew. It knows no political color. Whether you pull, Insione sayo, forest ni sayo, enchirima ne beba bebre. Eti endei, Mimi Akosinsia, Kwame Kubi, speaker of Kesme Kosinsia, Adom, Benjamin Sia, any Yanuma, Omentimi Ama, the Freku way, generational right protection society, taking inspiration from Aborigines Right Protection Society. If it's a maybe a tremo, Mensa Sabamo, and a Tijana, yes, or Moma Kosibru, Fayan Sase. Emma yen ne nchirima ye ba ye nya bie ne ne yan kasa yanso ye sense ase no omukon ye age ye no na so wo chine nchirima ba wo mba ye dai and for that matter we must speak up. It doesn't matter which political party you belong to, you must speak up today, and that is exactly what we are doing. Ye kasa say ene yensu aye say no ye forest aye say no we need decisive leadership, decisive measures, cogent measures to solve a galamsey. 18 na mobile ya kanyina no 28th 29th ya tempentin kwa akire aban say yewu na onye bibi emfa ho metals we yensuo no mudoso, kidney diseases being recorded in the next few years. Yari amrante ne maba wa benya okrom ha, kidney diseases will be rampant because of yensuo ese sabi emfuo ekom ebeba. If you say, ni nyina ye tu ni nyina gudu dia galamsey emfa na ebe no aduane adi it's also amfa ho na emfa ho a ene wokoto fish ena mu nsu a ye de mercury ni ade adi agu fish ni muti no ebe fa ho so also amfa ho a wokoto body na free body asankre gwa body na eba ena mu nuru a ye de agu nsase ni mane ekọ endubaye ni muti no ebe fa ho na se wo se onyonko ane ye de no ne ne wo a se bi panimfo se okwasea and the Kasa. It's necessary. So on the 28th, It doesn't matter which political party you belong to. The record is there to show that Miangasam party go man find job. So when you MPP some and then you this some. ABC when your mama buy 3 months a year and chair and train. Yeah, what was your chair? What to be that? What about 3 months in Crawford Troguswa, Forest years and insure years no. Was still a young chairman in 1 year, any 2 years, and yeah, Kwakubusan 28 in say one I catch a coup for the say, on declare state of emergency. It's how many months, how many years, and we here to declare that state of emergency. It's in a mobile and the Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, it's a different
Baby says, I didn't tell what up to now. Oh, yeah, last year, as MP was in government, went to me and made that demonstration. What can up to now after obey that demonstration?
Last year, Yenina Yenim and himself, Okatakyie Afrifa, a Kufado, Mubian was so a year galamsey, or year demonstrations at Miwukuma. Fix the country in 1 year. Me and anymore. So it's not about 1 year and 1 year. 1 month to election on the November. I will bring me party call a year about all. Quite free for many a year new speaker. And your first room where you coach China for no so be a topica. Yen and can won't be as a Santa Yen and 2 more. I saw for no 2 more bay. Sad yen did Jinasuma me party could blame me say. San your money and a moment lose election, but I know so the family home. See you say you. Nasa nunti you be lose election and you lose in the lose in the China. See and take decisive leadership. So like I'm saying, it has nothing to do with one hour power and I want any power. Last year, Yabatuaba, we raised Galamsey. Miankasa me komi krombo mfachiase. Eko to say ye miankasa me chairman. Chairman Luther. Ne krofo she nwura mo mutu Galamsey. Ya chair ne babekan. We named and shape. So when it comes to the fight against Galamsey, it is apolitical. Sabi, we are calling people onto the street today. If they go for the pension, thank you.
The starting point in Eva.
Starting point of Brasport.
Okay, now.
You be share Brasport 2 p.m. On the 28th, you know. Now, Bobe for Noah. We match possession. D Nyajambori. D visa some no abano. Asefemasem. Yes, say and saying, you know, all across the country for the greed of the selected few. Eti D Niamache. Yenina ya so candles. Edi akọ. Akobisa Yura John Dramani Mama said. The cogent plan towards solving of air Galamsey issue anything. It is a Brasport.
Yes,
yes.
So after say Okatakyie Afrifa mensa ede the petition ede come regional police commander I was say oko na okoje muyaye. Na no okopie mu ho a omuchiri mu a ba bi Okatakyie Afrifa mensa ono na na adwen say odi demonstration no no say Frasta house ne de mpanifo egitu a enye yi because omo makwan ema no kowie ne they can say demonstration wo ho na menim say demonstration demonstration de court ana say hefa enye babia president ewo eho na yekowie demonstration na wo de petition de kwa koma no so mpanifo echiremu a babia Okatakyie Afrifa epese wo ye demonstration ko ne de omo ne nya adwen enti sanka ebeye de anka ontwe san kakra na abusua yentie abra Okatakyie Afrifa mensa ekoji ni muaye ono so ekasa ewo de na omo nso omo kan echepa na omo de ma no ono nso wakasa ewo ho acheche nemam aka nema asi nema pi say demonstration de eye de na ebekoso on the 28th April.
It's day 2 of engagement with the police. Na bibi titia yenyina agitum say as of mine has gotten to a place I see yenyina edi anotum na you raise the tensions when it comes to the fight against adia eku yen as a people, which is Galamsey. It's not the people extracting minerals or not and your problem. The modes and method through which a greedy selected few no and you know the letter by say Yakumbia, we've gotten onto the street, we've taken other measures. Police in my Aquina 28 for demonstration and because you're by a commander. So we had a call from Commander, Greater Accra Regional Commander. So Mopeso Mushia and Ampa Babishia on any commander Sininana Yeshia Omo with regards to what the Public Order Act says. Says some notification of intention about the police officer in charge when they think there must be the need to call organizers for a meeting. They called us for a meeting to agree on certain issues. But as it stands now, comfortable with us going for the demonstration in front of the Flagstaff House. We've made our position very clear that we are taking inspiration from our forebearers, the likes of Nico Bnaboni, the likes of Mensa Saba, the likes of Castle Ford, the likes of Sergeant Atipua, Corporal Atipu, Sergeant Private Odate Lamte, and the rest. By so doing, wherever we've chosen to end our demonstration is symbolic. Because if it has to be any power, any authority, it is the seat of president that has the authority. It is the executive power of the nation. I don't know the military, or police, So we cannot end the demonstration anywhere except the seat of government, in front of the seat of government. Almost declare our intentions and the allow. But so more allow. Emrani said there will be a point where there will be a disagreement between the organizers and the police. But the only place that you can resolve that disagreement is through the courts. So we've made our intentions clear that if they think there is any reason why we cannot have that demonstration at a year baby a person in the Omonko court, Omonko make sure say Ombe make your case. Now courts in any declaration so made, we will respect that. If the courts think that they must give us what is due us within the remits of the Constitution, which is our constitutional right to demonstrate, and provide us with air police, air protection, they will have no other chance to do so. But if the courts, hearing their submissions, think that there is any reason to grant them their injunction, then we also respect the court. So as it stands now, it is only the courts that we have to decide. That's all.
So we are looking at the demonstration to kick off this month.
28. I know there's Emrano say any permission. I know some most times I'm so what permission free police. Emrano can say I'm permission free police. Was notify or said the protection. Nemo notify or mona bibi into muntimia or monko court no monko siki. So you are notified. We've satisfied the requirements of the law. And if we have satisfied the requirements of the law, that is all there is to. As it stands now, we know that 28th, we are doing demonstration because we've notified the police. Until the police takes such steps, necessary steps, to be able to offset the decision we've made through the court, we are going on 28th. It's 28th in the Abebaso. Right.
The
starting point or brass spot. And definitely there's going to be a press conference next week, Tuesday, to outline all of that. And thank you.
Some of them are quite, some of them are quite. Okatakyie Afrifa means a CNP said demonstration there, because one man alert every and I police for the big decided say called demonstration and I say won't call. And to some the call to some munku or not yet, what can CNP every. And here I train send a demonstration and send a beco, a quaco you na sempany so a beya somewhere, not galamse no more to see amaya, a bebwame, a bebwa so. Enti nyina ya pampaibo enter the echo bia chi na bibia enye okay aha aye GH kwabi TV so best so best subscribe na wa share na wa like amaye aha na mebe obesi kete wosi enye dodo ni onwura